ManKitchenRecipes. I'm Kevin, and you know, all summer long I've made brats off and on, and I've never really videoed it. And I'm like, man, I need to do some brats. I haven't done any. Well, I've made them, but I haven't videoed any. So anyway, I'm gonna make some smoked brats. We're gonna use the original brats, and then we're gonna have it with beer, green chili, and onion. So I'm going to do them in my tailgater because there's only 5 brats, 6 brats. And so I'm going to get the tailgater started, get it warmed up, just turn it to smoke. Power button, make sure your lid's open, and that's all you got to do. So once that's warmed up, what I'm going to do is throw them in there at 200 degrees for about 30 minutes, and then I will turn it up to probably about 250 for another 30. I want to get some good smoke in there, so go low and slow at the beginning, and then we'll try to crisp up the skin at the end. All right, we'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I'm back, but the smoker's not heated up yet. But I just wanted to go over, like I've got the Pit Boss Pro Series 1100 over here. I've got my Blackstone 36-6 griddle there. I've got my Uni Vira over there. And I've been asked, you know, it's like, well, do you use the tailgater more than the 1100 or the griddle or what? And actually I do use them pretty much fairly even. A lot of sides I'll do on the Blackstone because it's quick and easy. I'm using the tailgater because there's only 5 brats. I use my 1100 whenever I'm doing 2, 3, 4 racks of ribs, or I'm doing a couple of ribs and I'm doing, you know, a pan aside. Usually I use that on the weekend, and I don't always film it because I'm making stuff that I've made before. Some of the videos you've seen, I actually eat that stuff and remake it and enjoy it. So, and then when I have some new stuff, then I'll go ahead and put it on the 1100 or the tailgater, like tonight. Brats with beer, green chili, and onion. You got to check this out. So now, once that heats up, I'll be back out to put the brats on. Okay, so the little tailgater is just about up to heat. I just want to show you what all I got going on down here. So I am using the Johnsonville original brats. I am going to do my onions and green chili. I've got a couple tablespoons of butter, a couple tablespoons of olive oil, 2 green chilies, and about a half an onion. And I thought, well, I don't have a pan. I don't have anything to put it in. I was going to just use some foil. And then I remembered I had a Blackstone drip pan that worked perfect. So I'm going to throw these in with them. And then I also have these little brioche buns, or rolls. Why? Well, because they were cute. At least that's what the wife said. I think they're a little bigger, a little smaller than the actual brat, but we'll see. We might have to cut them. But I'm like, well, okay, they're cute, so that. Oh, also got a Yingling, black and tan. It's not a German beer, but Yingling almost sounds German. So anyway, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get the brats. Let me get them opened up here, just like this. Let me just give you. And I just want a light coat of oil. Just something to help crisp up the skin a little bit. Nothing heavy. And you gotta know by now, I do cook with beer every now and then, but not very often. Usually, like my beer can chicken, you know, I use Coca-Cola. And so with my brats with beer, onions, and green chili, well, the beer's for drinking. All right, yeah. Now let's get the brats in the oven. Let's get the brats in the Pit Boss Tailgater. Okay, so this is a tough part. We're just gonna set these brats in here. I don't even know why I brought the tongs. I could just throw them in there like that. Yeah, let's make this one go the same direction. Olive oil makes them a little bit slippery. Be sure to space them out so the smoke can get all the way around them. And of course, I'm going to put my green chili, onions, butter, and olive oil in here. We'll just let those go right next door to it. All right, we'll see you in about 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes in, 200 degrees. This little Pit Boss, I'll tell you. Let's check them out. Oh yeah, they're looking good. See how my onions. It's not too hot. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Just gonna let those keep smoking in there. Okay. Let's check, see if we got any color on the bottom. Not really. So I'm gonna turn these up to 250. Should have a good amount of smoke on it right now. Looking really good. Turn that up to 250. Might check them at about 15 and flip them over. Alright. 15 minutes at 250. Let's go ahead and give them a nice little flip. May want to make these go a little bit longer. Get them a little bit of char on them. We'll see. It's been another 15 at 250. Yeah. Good. Not sure they're done yet, but starting to get a little color to them. Let them go a little bit more. I might even open up that flame plate just to get a little char on. So I was getting ready to get these little brioche buns ready, and they're so cute. They're individually wrapped. Anyway, I'm going to cut them, put some butter on them, and throw them on the Blackstone griddle and get them cooked up. I do want to get a temp on these, but I don't want to poke a hole in the skin. So I just want to see what temp we're getting at. I'll stick it here in the head. See if that works better. Well, we're at 170. You only need to get about 165, so they don't have any char marks on them. That's okay. You look mighty fine. There, looks pretty good. Get these cute little rolls on there. Get those toasted up. Alright, these little rolls about ready. Look at that. Oh yeah. Okay, these are done. Talk about getting dark early, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna fight with the light already. Check this out. So I got my little buns toasted up. Let me see if I can get those out of the shadow. Right there. Got 2 of them going. So, I'm going to put one of mine there, one of mine there, and then I have my onions and green chili and butter. These buns are small, so you can't really fold them in, but I like mustard on mine. Okay, here's a close-up for you. I got the green chili and onions, got my mustard on there. The buns are a little small, but hey, they fit. Let's give this a try. Okay, that's it. Not sure how well this little cute little bun is going to work, but there it is. Green chili, onions, mustard, and my beer. I can't see it, but maybe. It does have a smoke ring in there. And that is delicious with the onions and green chilies and onions. Okay, there you go. Brats with beer, green chili, and onion. Thanks for watching. My light just went out. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.